Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a drop shadow to a shape in Canva. This is a fantastic way to make your designs pop and add depth to your visual elements. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up your Canva design and locate the shape you want to add a shadow to. This could be any shape you've already placed on your canvas, whether it's a circle, rectangle, star, or any custom shape. Go ahead and click directly on that shape to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection handles appear around the edges. Once your shape is selected, direct your attention to the top toolbar at the top of your screen. This toolbar contains all the main editing options for your selected element. Look for the button labeled Effects and click on it. This will open up a panel showing you all the available visual effects you can apply to your shape, including shadows, outlines, and other styling options. Now, within the Effects panel, you'll see a section dedicated to shadow options. There are different types of shadows available in Canva, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the drop shadow effect. Click on the option labeled Drop. As soon as you click it, you'll immediately see a shadow appear on your shape, giving it that lifted, three-dimensional look that makes it stand out from the background. Next, you'll want to customize how that shadow looks to perfectly match your design aesthetic. In the Shadow Controls section, you'll find several sliders and number fields that let you fine-tune the shadow's appearance. The Direction control allows you to change which side of your shape the shadow falls on, creating the illusion of light coming from different angles. Adjust this slider to position the shadow exactly where you want it, or the Offset slider controls how far the shadow extends from your shape. A smaller offset creates a subtle, close shadow, while a larger offset makes the shadow appear further away, giving the impression that your shape is floating higher above the page. Experiment with this slider until you find the distance that looks best for your design. The Blur slider determines how soft or sharp the shadow edges appear. A lower blur value creates a crisp, defined shadow, while a higher blur value makes the shadow softer and more diffused, creating a more natural lighting effect. Adjust this to match the overall style of your design. The Transparency slider controls how visible the shadow is. Moving this slider adjusts the opacity of the shadow, making it more prominent or more subtle. This is particularly useful when you want the shadow to be present but not overwhelming. Finally, if you want to change the color of your shadow, go to the Color Control section and click on the Shadow Color circle. This opens up a color picker where you can select any color you'd like for your shadow. While shadows are typically gray or black, choosing a colored shadow can create unique, artistic effects that complement your overall design palette. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a drop shadow on your shape in Canva, giving your design professional depth and dimension. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.